take care of you. I will.
Hi guys, welcome back to the 25 days of Kissmas. Thank you guys so much for tuning in for another video. So in this video, I'm pretty much getting my house ready for the holidays. And what you guys see happening in this clip, I'm just moving the dining room table over so that I can make room for the Christmas tree. So I'm using a lot of decorations that we already have, but I also went out and purchased some new decorations specifically for this year. I just wanted something to kind of like revamp, just to make things a little bit more special this year. I feel like we use the same decorations every year, and I just wanted something that was a little bit different. I really feel like we need another Christmas tree, but we didn't decide to get one this year, so this was still a very nice way to upgrade what we already had. I wanted to give you guys this video because I wanted to kind of give you a couple of ideas of how you can decorate your home for the holidays. I know there's a lot of videos floating around of people like decorating their houses and things, but when I tell you all of the decorations that I bought were super duper duper affordable, I probably spent somewhere around like $30 to $45 total, like on all the ornaments and everything that we use, not including the Christmas tree. Like I said, we already had that, but other than that, all of this stuff was super affordable, and I feel like it kind of made the house really nice. So I'm just showing you guys some of the ornaments that we got. I went with like silver and red this year. I kind of had like a theme going on. I really like these ones because they're super oversized, as you guys can tell. And in this clip, I'm just starting to apply the ornaments. Of course, this is the most fun part, and it's also one of the most tedious and time-consuming parts. So I am going to speed through this part a little bit. So as you guys can see, the oversized ornaments really add a nice big like festive touch to the tree. It looks really, really nice, honestly. I'm glad that they came in like mostly red because I just noticed that the other ornaments had a lot of silver in them. Also, I didn't use all of the ornaments that I purchased. Like, I literally didn't use any of the ornaments that were in the all silver pack. So here is my semi-completed project right before I decided to add the lights. And just a little quick tip, if you're decorating your Christmas tree at home, probably better to add the lights first. I don't know what I was thinking, but in the future definitely would add the lights before I add the ornaments, just because they kind of like were snagging on the ornaments and it was really making me nervous throughout this process. So while I was shopping for my ornaments, I purchased a couple other items like some name labels, some tape, and a couple of rolls of wrapping paper just to like get things started. And I also purchased these really cute chair covers, and I just wanted to show you guys these because they really add something special to the dining room. They were only $1, but they're really, really cute. It's something that I never thought of. So I also got this little snowman just to put right in the center of the table. I'm thinking of getting some of that felt glittery white fabric just to put underneath it, just so it looks a little less plain. I also got this little red wreath to go on the door, and I got this door hanger that is like a Santa Claus, but you can't really see it that well in the frame. And that pretty much completes this transformation, I guess. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video because I had a blast filming it. And happy holidays. I'll see you in the next one. So I really hope you guys enjoyed watching me get my house ready for the holidays. This was a really fun video to film. It was just kind of fun to really get into the holiday spirit. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to check out the previous 25 days of Kissmas video. I will have it linked somewhere on the screen, and I will see you guys in tomorrow's video.